What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we're revealing a modification. So you guys have been begging, you guys have been pleading, Aing, bring us the mods. So although I'm not giving you guys all the mods, we're gonna be revealing a modification in today's video, and it's actually the headlights. Right there. I've had these headlights for a very long time now, so let's just get right into it. So, what do you think? What do you think? Let's get our opinions out there. Let's put them out. Now, we're going to talk about these today. We're not going to be installing them, but 100 likes and I'll install them next weekend. So, if you want to see these installed on my truck, if you want to see these installed, 100 likes. I don't normally get 100 likes. I get like 30, 40, 50, 60. Never 100, but 100 likes, we'll do it next weekend. So let's go over what they actually are, because I know a lot of people are gonna have some questions. So they're aftermarket headlights, they're blacked out. They are exactly these, except in all black. Now, they're blacked out headlights that I don't need any additional wiring, any additional adapters, nothing extra. It's literally plug and play, although there's a lot of unplugging to play, but nonetheless, plug and play. Now, plug and play is very important to me because if you don't know, I recently put on some LED bulbs in these, and a lot of people were like, hey, be careful, the wiring can get hot, and that paranoids me, like very, very bad. So much to the point where like I'll be done driving, getting home, Sandy's running inside because of how cold it is, and I'm popping my trunk to check if my wires are hot. So to avoid any wiring problems, any wiring issues, I went with what I would consider plug and play. There's no extra wiring, so we're good. So there's three main reasons why I bought these. One, plug and play. Number two, I really like the looks of the 2019 TRD Pro headlights. Now, I'll put a picture on screen now, and they're pretty dang close. The only difference that Pros have that these don't is the Pro has that J swoosh right here, right? The 2019 is just that J swoosh. That's what I was actually gonna get on my Quicksand. I just never ever got around to it. But since I don't have DRLs, well then I don't need that J swoosh. I was gonna get the Pro ones, but these are perfect. Number three is these are super affordable. So I'll link them down below. They're on Amazon. If you have a SR5 or an SR, you can purchase these and just plug and play. And last but not least, when I started this build, right, it's a slow build, but when I started it, I said everything I want and everything I'm gonna get on this truck is gonna be for a purpose. Now, these will do that job just fine. Although we may not understand it yet, when it's done, you guys will understand. I know a lot of people are gonna ask me, Aing, why didn't you buy more expensive headlights? Why didn't you go with the top of the line that have the DRLs that look super nice? Now, I'm not oblivious, okay? First off, I know those lights will look better, they look more elegant, and I'm sure they perform a lot better. Of course, if I wanted to, I could just spend $1,200 on some headlights and call it a day. But that's not really fun. I wanna make it mine, I wanna build it, and I want it to be my own creation. So, I just don't want to. That's pretty much it. So that's why I didn't go with super expensive ones. I know there's a lot of really nice ones out there. Just for now, these will do the job. Now, as far as installation, like I said, if we get 100 likes, I'll install these next weekend. The only reason I was kind of hesitant on uploading that and installing them is just because I don't know exactly what to do with the grill. There's a super cool Instagram account that can like modify this and make it like whatever you want it. You can like put a logo on it. It's like a vinyl wrap on it. That's super cool. That's super neat. But also, I don't know if I just want to smack a TRD Pro grill on there, have it all blacked out. I wanted to do them at the same time. That's pretty much it. Let me know, what do you guys think? Did I make a good decision? Did I make a good purchase? I absolutely think they look sick. Let me go ahead and put these up front just so you guys can see what they look like. It's a night and day difference. Everything inside being blacked out looks super sick. I love it. I think they're gonna come out super nice. But what do you guys think? I don't know. Modifications are taking longer than we would both like. Obviously, if I could modify the truck like this, I definitely would. But it's a process, it's a build. That's what makes it fun. The build is in progress. I do have other modifications at home that I haven't shown you guys. Don't freak out. I'm not like just not modifying the truck. Well, I am, but I'm not. I'm buying a bunch of stuff. It's just the more I show, the more you guys are gonna know what's gonna happen. I'm willing to bet once the truck is done, there's no other Tacoma that's gonna be like mine. Now, if you're a businessy type of person, that's either a good thing or a really bad thing, okay? So I'm thinking it's a really bad thing, but who cares? It's fun. Nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know what you guys think about the headlights. I'm a super big fan. 100 likes, I'll do them next weekend. If not, well then we'll just install them some other time. Without further ado, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Say good tomorrow. Peace. All right, you see that little thingy? So I was gonna try to prop the truck up on that while I was recording, just to, I don't know, look cool. I was kind of scared that as I was like propping it up there, maybe my foot, I just don't have enough trust that I would have landed it right there. And then I realized that that is awfully close, and that would have been a very, very bad day.